Heavy rains will shift to South Tamil Nadu on Monday and lash the southern districts till Tuesday as per the India Meteorological Department. From Tuesday onwards, its intensity will decrease, it added. Wind convergence would result in heavy to very heavy rains in southern districts including Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi and Ramanathapuram. Chennai and other coastal districts will receive moderate rains. The India Meteorological Department said that the cyclonic circulation over the Comorin area and the adjoining Sri Lanka coast in the lower level may move and emerge in the Arabian Sea. This phenomenon will happen from Monday onwards. While the easterly winds over the coastal areas would push moisture into the land, the moving weather system would bring in southwesterly winds. On Sunday, Meenambakam, West Tambaram, Ennur, Villivakkam, Taramani, Chembarambakam, Satyabhama University and MRC Nagar and Nungambakam received heavy rains. The weatherman said that the intensity of rains will fall from November 29th and most places in southern and northern parts received light to moderate rains. Meanwhile, the State Revenue and Disaster Minister KKSSR Ramachandran said that the state government is assessing the damage inflicted in the rains during the past 10 days and will present a report to Chief Minister regarding the same. While addressing media, Ramachandran said, the state government, especially the Revenue Department, is taking stock of the losses inflicted in the recent rains and will be giving a fresh proposal to the Chief Minister seeking central assistance. The government and the Revenue Department have made all the necessary arrangements to deal with any eventuality during the heavy rains in South Tamil Nadu on Monday and Tuesday. The minister also said that the National Disaster Response Force and the State Disaster Response Force are kept in standby to face any issues during the rains. On Sunday, State Health Minister M.A. Subramanian in a statement said that the government will open health check camps in all the PHSCs across the state to take stock of rain-related disease. With the Omicron threat looming large, the Health Department is opening health camps so that the system will be full-fledged and geared up to face any eventuality. Meanwhile, an earthquake of magnitude 3.6 on the Richter scale occurred on Monday at around 4:17 am in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu. According to the National Center for Seismology, the quake happened with a depth of 25 km. The epicenter of the quake was located at 59 km west-southwest of Vellore. As rains continue to lash Trichy city for the third consecutive day, several residential neighborhoods were inundated and residents were rescued using boats on Sunday. Heavy rains in the past 3 days resulted in flooding and waterlogging in several parts of the city. With the help of fire and rescue services personnel, the stranded residents were shifted to safe locations within the city limits. The government made the arrangements for food and other facilities. Due to incessant rains, a holiday was announced in schools and colleges in 11 districts on Monday. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.